Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing a model and environment. Pick open source for control or hosted API for speed. Once chosen, gather a starter dataset of 500 to 5,000 prompt response pairs and label intents. Install Python, create a virtual environment, and clone a minimal repo. Make sure to store API keys in environment variables and configure Git. After that, run a small inference test to confirm connectivity and that the model responds to a basic prompt before moving to fine-tuning. You now customize, decide between fine-tuning and prompt engineering, fine-tuning for behavioral changes, prompt engineering for quick iteration. Once decided, prepare data format, JSONL, split train/validation, and run 3 to 5 epochs while monitoring loss. Make sure to add an intent classifier and simple slot filling for structured replies, and maintain a context window of 2 to 6 turns. Also implement batching, rate limits, and detailed logging so you can analyze failures and improve prompts or model weights over time. You finish by deploying the chatbot in a container or serverless function with health checks and auto-scaling rules. Once deployed, integrate authentication, privacy filters, and moderation for unsafe outputs. Make sure to redact sensitive inputs and store minimal logs. Test end-to-end flows and add synthetic smoke tests. If things go wrong, check logs, replay failing user turns, and run the same prompt sequence locally. That troubleshooting step reveals prompt drift, missing slots, or rate limit issues so you can iterate quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.